Hi guys, this is Sir Yuri and welcome back. So, our lesson for today is about one-ITs. Diba? It's very familiar. All of us have been through what we call one-ITs. What I mean is, everybody of us already experienced na in love, na experience na rin natin na meron ka lang isang girl na gustong-gusto mo. And madalas sa mga tao is they get into the game just for them to get this one single girl. Dati, ako naalala ko noon, kaya ako pumasok sa game kasi the first place, akala ko noon is kaya ako magugustuhan ng girls is pag marami akong pera. So what I did was made a lot of money. And after noon, still napansin ko na hindi pa rin ako nag-i-improve. Na umiyak pa rin ako, lalasing ako, 190s pa din. Diba? And sabi ko, ano ba yung answer dito? Bakit ganun? Meron pa rin akong nararamdaman na masama. So, nangyari, studied game and improve. And tapos, nag-start na ako mag-approach, nag-start ako mag-game. Nakakatawa, nag-kick in minsan yung AFC side ko. Ibig sabihin ng AFC side, yung meron ka na-meet na girl, tapos yung na-meet mo siya, sabi mo sa sarili mo, uy, teka lang, ito na yata yung the one. Ito na yata yung para sa akin na pambuhay. Diba? Ngayon, yung mind mo na nag-evolve na to a higher perspective of being a PUA, of being a ladies man, bumababa uli sa pagiging AFC. Diba? Well, hindi ko naman pinipreach sa mga tao na sundan nila itong ginagawa ko kasi this is my opinion, this is my experience. Okay? So, madalas nga, katulad nun si Esteban Di Calibre, si TP, one time, magkasama kami noon sa mall, tapos pinagkwentuhan namin na, tol, namimiss ko na yung ano, para nakaka-inlove, diba? Yung para meron ka lang isang girl na iniisip mo everyday, kasama mo lagi. Ngayon, ang na-realize ko is, kapag nag-kick in yun, diba? Yung ganong klaseng syndrome na pagiging AFC, is dapat di mo siya entertain. Okay? Dapat kailangan mo lang na tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin nag-approach, tuloy-tuloy ka pa nag-game. Diba? Kasi pag ginawa mo yun, magre-revert back ka sa pagiging AFC. And madalas kasi ang mga PUA, when they get into the game is, they have this mentality na, okay, once I got the girl of my dreams, I would stop gaming. I would stop gaming. I would stop na, dito na lang ako forever. Diba? Ang ano nun is para lang silang double agent. Para silang mga spy na after nila makuha yung gusto nila, parang nagle-lay low sila, tapos ayaw na nila uli mag-game. Diba? And para kasi sa akin ang game, ang PUA is a part of your life. It's a lifestyle. Now, it's a problem of other people if iniisip nila masama ang game. Pero para sa akin, it's enriching. It helps you realize a lot of things. It helps you become even more of what you are. Diba? Instead of just being, instead of just umiiyak ka, diba, getting hurt. Now, going back to my topic of sabi ko nga sa one-itis is, guys, see to it na never ever treat any woman as nawa one-itis ka. It's a very limiting belief. Pwede mo na sila mahalin, di ba? Every single person is iba-iba yung degree of love na nararamdaman mo. Well, but still, it's up to you. It's up to you if you wanna love 2, 3, 4, 5 individuals or girls at the same time, di ba? Pero still, never ever na ilalagay mo sila sa label na pagiging one-itis. Because once na inisip mo na yun, di ba? Once na inisip mo na yun, ang mangyayari nun is, para ka ng para ka naputulan ng paa, bumabalik sa pagiging AFC. Sayang yung mga skills na develop mo. Okay? And now, it's still, sinasabi ko, disclaimer, it's still up to you. Sayang. It's still up to you if you wanna decide if you want still to have a one-itis or if still gusto mo ng na magkaroon ng isang girl. Video mo kaya? Diba? Tama naman. Okay. So anyway, I think that's about it. I'm just gonna wrap things up. Okay? on my final word is never ever consider somebody as a one-itis. Never ever put your mind to that frame because it will limit you in your game. Okay, thank you very much.